Greetings, Brenau community. I come to you this week with a very heavy heart. Our sisters and brothers are hurting. Weariness, frustration, anger, hopelessness, helplessness. These are words I've heard from students, from alumni, from friends of the university, from faculty and staff. And I understand that because I feel the same way. And as hard and difficult as those emotions are, I also have strong emotions about Brenau and the advantage we have in that we are committed to the Brenau Ideal. Loving deeply, fearing nothing, and hating never. That is a recipe for how we move forward amidst the horrible feelings and the horrible actions and the violence that we're seeing. And I want to draw your attention to the line about doing rather than dreaming, or rather than just dreaming, as I like to think about it, because we need to dream, but we need to act. And that means acting such as voting, it means making our community better, and it means helping to make our university better. So over the coming months, I look forward to listening and learning about how we can institute this major goal of our strategic plan, which we had planned to institute, diversity, inclusion, and equity. How can we go about making sure that we are doing the best we possibly can on all of those areas, and that we are helping to ensure that we're contributing, because our graduates will be going out into the world to a better world. I look forward to hearing from you. Look for invitations to share. And know in the meantime that I'm thinking of you, I'm missing you, I'm wishing you all the best of health, and I'm wishing you a positive approach as we look forward, because that is the only thing that will move us forward, is knowing our own power to love deeply, to fear nothing, and to hate never. That's the secret, and that's our Brenau advantage.